Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we show you how to master your mobile device with ease. Today, I will be showing you exactly how to clear search history on Android to help keep your private data safe and organized. So now let's get started. Step 1, open the Google app on your Android device to access your main search account settings. This app is the central hub where all your mobile search activity is recorded and managed for your convenience. Step 2, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen to open your account menu. This menu is important because it contains all the privacy and personalization settings linked to your specific Google identity. Step 3, click on the search history option to view a detailed log of every term and website you have recently looked up. Reviewing this section allows you to see exactly what information has been saved to your account over time. Step 4, click the delete button where you can choose a specific category, such as delete all time, to wipe your entire record at once. This is the fastest way to completely refresh your history and ensure that none of your past searches remain visible. Step 5, alternatively, you can select the auto delete option and choose a specific time frame like 3 or 18 months before clicking next. This feature is incredibly useful because it automatically cleans up your history in the future without you having to do it manually. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.